screen really quick, and then we're going to walk through that first. All right, so Sweets, can you see my screen okay?
I can, and I also noticed that you're muted on the Zoom call, and so if you're recording, I'm not sure if we're getting your audio.
Oh yes, thank you. Okay, now we're here for part 3. Oh boy, okay, let's do it. Matt did say that he'd be here in a couple minutes, so we'll just get it going, and then he'll join us in a second.
Awesome.
All right, so just to read you the context, I did it again, thank you for that. Basically, we're just going to check the IPFS URLs for the MP4 files, for the MP4 visualizers, because it appears that there may be an error with them. It may just be, well, we're not 100% sure. So I'm just going to check it out and see for myself and see what the deal is here. So if I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into, for example, welcome back, and open up this IPFS right here. This is the exact one that I'm going to deliver to Sweets. And then if I scroll down, I can see that the visualizer video MP4 is this IPFS URL right here. And I don't think, if I'm correct, Sweets, I don't need the part, the slash welcome back MP4 in order to see it, right? It's really just
That's a great question. I actually think you do need it, but let's try both ways. I've only tried including that. I did not try it without. But let's try both ways. I've only tried including that. I did not try it without.
We're testing the visualizer for welcome back right now, and I believe Matt
okay. So I might have just been doing it wrong, adding on those last parts.
Okay. So I might have just been doing it wrong, adding on.
So did you manually change that first part and then leave the last part the same?
Yes, but it was the same regardless. Like the file name that I uploaded was always the same there. So that's why it's not that I left it necessarily because I just wanted that to be the case, but because the generator gave me that, and I was like, well, if the generator gave me that in the file called welcome back either way, then or do you think? I mean, yeah, that's a great question.
They were slightly, the methods for generating the metadata were slightly different. And when you did it in the generator, it referenced your MP4 upload in relation to the original content. And so it was able to do that / name.mp4. In your following uploads, you just uploaded a single file. And so if you keep that / name at the end, it's going to have the file broken. So we on each of them. And we'll want to check some of your other things too, just to make sure that yeah, because anybody that's going to read that IPFS is going to read it broken if you manually if the content ID did not include that /. So how can I help with this? Do you want me to start at the end and then you start at the top and then we meet in the middle?
Sure, let's do it.
All right. Menu.
So we're just dealing with some IPFS issues. All right, I have my NFT open, and then I have to make a new. I need to, but it seems like we don't really need to make a new one. We mostly just edit the code and take out that.
Well, yeah, and then we'll just need to re-upload all those JSONs.
Right.
Let me get a code editor open as well.
I'm getting rid of the IPFS for each one right now, so we can put the new ones in later. All right.
As a technologist, I'm thinking this is exactly why we need interfaces that make it easy to do this without you having to manually change the code. This is the exact reason Catalog doesn't allow musicians to go in and change this stuff. This is where errors happen. And it's not your fault. It's like we need technology that has guardrails that are better for this.
It makes me. Do you think it's worth checking every single IPFS that's inside of the metadata?
It is. It's yeah. I think we because once we ship this, it's out forever, and so we definitely want to verify.
Yeah, so let's go through. So I'm just going to go through every single one from the top, and you'll go from the bottom.
Yep, I'm starting at the B side stuff.
Sounds good. Okay, so now it's fine. Wow, this is huge. All right, so now it's okay.
Found a broken one. Yeah, so the visualizer URIs.
I think that it's mostly going to be the visualizer and potentially the audio on some of them, but mostly just the visualizer. It also makes me wonder what if then the visualizer and the animation URL could work.
That was what I exactly because yesterday when we tested it, we were using these broken links, and so we never actually gave it a test with the correct links to see if it would work right.
It seems like it's worth doing.
Your call. We can do a quick test. If you get to metadata,
That's what I was thinking. The first two.
yeah, this is a process that's potentially going to take time, and I do have a call with Decent at 1 p.m. so I have a hard cutoff in 45 minutes. So we do need to be strategic about how we want to spend this time.
Let's just let's leave it as is and just make sure these are IPFS as they are work properly. Okay.
A lot of IPFS hashes in this.
Yeah.
It looks like it might also be the same with the animation URL and the lossless audio potentially.
It is only for the ones where, since you're starting from the bottom, edition 13 and 14, I know for sure that's going to happen.
Okay, Roger. Yeah, this is really good that we're checking this. Otherwise, we would have shipped a lot of broken for the you know the gift NFTs would have been kind of useless. The only reason I caught this is I was trying to see if I could add in the visualizers into the website today, and then I saw that the links weren't working, and that's what got me to dig into this. The blessing and the curse of responsibility and power. Once you have the ability to change something, you also have the ability to mess something up.
Like it won't just be us who get the benefit from this being not happen.
All right, I think I just finished the first one and I'm uploading it now, the B side.
Okay, sounds good. I just finished the first two. Welcome back and how it ends. And basically what I'm doing is I'm updating our spreadsheet with the code metadata tab.
Yep.
With the IPFS URLs, and then once that is all there, I can make the full array.
Cool.
Array
Yep.
IPFS hashes.
Yep, exactly.
All right.
Did you just go through and delete all of the IPFS URLs?
Yeah, for each song, because that's what we need to replace.
It is what we need to replace. Is there somewhere I can copy? Are they still up top for me to copy the original stuff?
Is there? Oh, because you need it to test or something like that. I have.
Well, I need to tweak. I need to tweak the values, and I don't have the originals.
Yeah, let me put them in there for you.
Or where are they?
At the very top where it says deployment IPFS.
Is deployment IPFS? Okay. I see it now.
But those are the old ones.
Right. Exactly.
Just want to make
Exactly.
Sure
Okay. Yep. Moving on to the second one now. I got the first one filled into your Google Sheet.
Okay. Cool.
32-minute visualizer. Sweet. Okay, check this next one. I want to save myself time, so it should probably just be the animation URL, the lossless audio, and the visualizer. I can assume that those images are probably safe for now.
Yeah. You got it. We also know that they worked when we were testing them yesterday as well. We know that the images.
Definitely. Facts. I'm on the third from the bottom now.
Okay.
All in my head. And then did you say you think all the audios are going to be fine as they are in terms of
Yeah.
like all in my head and the rest of them?
Yep. 13 and 14 is the only one where the audio is too long. Otherwise, everything else is fine.
Got it. Got it. Verified.
Cool.
Okay, so now I should just need to change the visualizer. That should be a little bit faster.
Yep, exactly. Let's try. Gotta say, we wouldn't have had the chance to work on this as a team live like this if this hadn't happened.
Couldn't have done it if when?
We wouldn't have been able to work on it as a team like this live if that hadn't happened.
Mm.
This feels like a rare opportunity for me to be able to do this with you. Yeah, there's our visualizer. Okay. I'm close to the bottom now. I'm working on little things.
Mon, did you forget 4 from the bottom?
Cool.
You're zooming way faster than me. You've obviously been putting in more practice.
Working on the fundamentals, dribbling and foul shots. I was about
You're like wax on, wax off, coach. I got this. I know how to do these. All right.
Yeah, these visualizers are nice.
Did you forget? Visualizer. Remove those last words. Save. Such a small change. And it's like, do we really have to upload it? Well, yeah, that's what IPFS is it's immutable content.
Yep.
So we got to upload a new set of immutable content.
Yep. All right, I'm on grow now, so you can let me do that one. That's the one after yours.
Did you forget track number 5?
On the album, yeah.
Cool.
Like,
cool.
because
Interesting.
the way I'm putting them out as far as the
Uh-huh.
puzzle pieces is different than the order of the album. So
Interesting.
that's
Okay.
another like special reveal that a person gets if they collect all 12 is they get
cool.
the actual track list.
Wow. Interesting. Interesting. Okay, and I just finished up. Did you forget?
Okay, you can stop there because I'm about to finish grow.
Awesome.
Okay. So, Sweets, it looks like you in the IPFS, you can probably see it on my screen. These ones that I'm on right now, you added those in?
I added those in, correct?
Cool. Okay. So I can make the array of all of these now.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to do that right now. I'm glad I've been practicing this. Oh, jeez.
I would like to verify, and I'm wondering how we can make it efficient. Matt, are you in a place where you can help us verify some of this content works?
Totally.
Oh, can you unmute? Oh, my bad, Matt. Let me make you a speaker on the Twitter space. You should be able to speak now. Sweets, you can watch me doing it on my screen if you like.
I don't know if I'm a speaker in Twitter space.
Hey, Matt.
Yo.
Were you able
Do you
to
think you
hear
could
me?
help us validate some of this, that we got these IPFS hashes correct?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, I'm gonna send a link inside of the Zoom that you can use to test these hashes. If you go there and then you copy everything that's after the IPFS, you'll get the full JSON.
Mm.
Let me know when you see the JSON.
So I'm on. I just haven't ever actually used NFT storage yet, and I'm on here. I follow the link, and when I said try it out,
Yeah, don't click try it out. I'm sorry. If you see down below, it says the NFT storage gateway, and there's a little like place for you to put in a link and then hit go.
got it.
You're gonna put our IPFS hashes in there, and then that should give you JSON. So you'll put in everything that's after IPFS : /
So when I'm clicking on the link that you give me, it's supposed to take me to the IFPS hashes.
The IPFS hashes are in the Google Drive. If you have not looked at the Google Drive, here is the.
I've got it open on my screen, Sweets, each one. So I'm just going through.
Have you verified the visualizer, the image, and the animation URL?
I was doing that as I was going, but I can do it again. Whoops.
Okay, so I'm in the Google Doc. Everything after.
Yeah, it seems like Jack's gonna go through it faster, so don't worry about that.
Okay, cool.
You're good. You're good. All right. So we got welcome back. We got the image. That's good. We got the visual. Oh, whoops. Well, same image. Or not same image.
Yeah, we don't need to. If it's the same, we don't need to check another one.
Yeah, this is actually the project image. Okay. And then this is the visualizer. Good.
Nice.
And then the audio will be the last thing.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Looks
welcome
perfect.
back is all set. So now we're done with how it ends. Okay.
And let's just check the three. Just image, animation URI, not in artwork, in the actual field image.
Yep.
Not this one either. It should just be image.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I didn't see you grab visualizer.
Oh yeah, it's all good. I was thinking maybe there's a lag too. Okay, visualizer's good. Yeah, it's really just image and then audio at the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
R3. I understand now. Okay. Very nice.
Sweet.
Okay, how it ends is good. Next one. Very aware of the fact that I have 12 songs on this album right now. And it's not a 6-track EP or 7-track EP. All right.
No, this is really great.
Okay. Yep, we're all set there. Track number 4.
It's very noticeable how much faster content loads for you living in the US than for me living in Argentina.
Wow.
Loading an IPFS hash directly like that takes me a little while.
Wow, gotcha. It hasn't always been this fast for me. There were some when I was using the metadata generator, I would get like 3 or 4 failures to load. So it is interesting, but the last few days have been really good. But that is interesting that what you're saying about that. I mean, I believe it. Okay, so somewhere somehow is good. Salt. Okay. Yeah, this is way faster than it was before. Okay, visualizer's good. Oops. Okay. Thank you, Saul. We'll see you later. What have I done? What have I done?
Mhm.
Okay. Cool.
And you know, I think I've got it. I think I've got the test net set on a 1 minute timer now.
Okay.
And so if we'd like, we could do a test net run and buy everything real quick.
Okay.
It will take 6 minutes for the entire album to be purchasable.
Okay.
And we could just buy it and see how they look in OpenSea.
Yeah. That's cool with me.
You good to we'll just move on and do a test run and see if they look okay?
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it.
Okay. All right, so let's head over to Third Web and let's do a shipment on Mumbai. Do you want me to send you the URL again?
Yeah, that'd be great. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
I've got the array copied. Oh, actually, yeah.
Sending you in the chat. There you got Wayspace.
There we go.
And then you're going to need the metadata render. So let me get that for you.
Oh, that's funny. I'm connected to Optimism from. I was collecting your articles last night.
Very affordable, right?
Yeah, dude. I was like, what? Okay, let's do it.
Yeah.
There it is. Pardon me as I switch networks. Okay. Cool to deploy, right? Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. All right.
And I sent the GitHub, but I'm just going to send you the Polygon metadata render.
Okay. Thank you.
You don't need to go on the GitHub again. It's for me.
Okay. Cool. All right, let's do it. 3,
Let's
2,
ship it.
1, ship.
The final testnet run.
The final test net run.
I like 3, 2, 1 ship.
Now, Matt, can you verify royalties for us?
Yes. Just tell me what to do.
All right. So you're going to open up on your computer, Matt. You're going to open up a new tab and look up Manifold Royalty Registry. And you should see like royaltyregistry.xyz.
Got you.
You're going to go there. And then once Jack gets the contract address, you're going to take the contract address and then you're going to start playing around over there to make sure that the money's going where it should. I'm going to trust you to do this verification so you can check it I think it's going to be fine, but yeah. Can you send us that contract address? Or
Yeah,
I guess
sure.
you're still going through it.
Yeah. No, I'm just starting to purchase now.
Cool. Yeah. So Matt, if you take that, I'm going to start buying with Jack. And then if you can just like start playing around with different token numbers and just test like one ETH purchase, you should see that it uses EIP 2981 and it should tell you where those funds would go. And this is just you verifying that I set up the royalty purchasing correctly.
Okay. And so I'm going to do it by token ID or by URL?
By token ID.
Okay.
Did I need to have quantity 2 for the bundle?
No.
Huh.
But it's 0.0333.
Yeah, I've got that.
And it's not letting you buy the bundle?
Yeah, it said transaction failed.
It might have just been your wallet failing. I'm trying it right now.
Yeah.
If it opens up MetaMask, it's a valid transaction and it was probably just a MetaMask failure.
Okay.
I've found that Mumbai on MetaMask can be pretty buggy with a lot of like failed transactions that don't end up showing up on chain.
Okay, gotcha. All right, I'm trying it again.
One of the reasons I like working on Optimism and Arbitrum, I feel Optimism and Arbitrum are a better testing environment, but there's a lot of infrastructure built out around Mumbai, like OpenSea. OpenSea won't support Optimism or Arbitrum.
Okay, yeah, gotcha.
And so this last address that Jack put in is the address of the token ID?
That is your contract address. I'm curious what Matt's.
It's saying search by token address.
Yeah, that's your token address.
Got it.
All right, my purchase went through.
I bought a bundle. We're at song number 6. You can buy up to 6. And if you're curious what you're missing, Jack, I added a missing pieces function. So you can try out that missing pieces function and see what you're missing.
Okay, cool. And I just put in my address. Okay.
Yeah, so that'll allow you to check anybody's wallet to see where anyone's at.
Oh, cool. Nice. Okay, I'm missing 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right. Under purchase track, would I be able to do it all? I guess not all of them yet.
You can do them one at a time.
Okay, so I'll just do.
But yeah, up and until track 8. We're on track 8 right now, so you can buy anything up and until number 8. I'm buying the bundle to get 7 and 8 right now.
Okay, I will too.
I'm going to try to keep up with the bundle purchase until we get to the end, and then I'll backfill whatever I'm missing, because every minute it's updating.
Yeah, right. Okay.
Put it on a faster timeline for us.
Yeah, that's helpful. Thank you.
How's it going for you, Matt? Are you starting to understand the royalty registry?
The only other question I have is just like, is literally the token ID just going to be like 8 in whatever we're like minting currently?
It is going to token ID. Token ID is different from song ID. You can plug in any number up until the number of tokens that have been minted. How many have been minted? Total supply. Currently there are, if you hit the total supply method, you'll see that there are 8 tokens. Jack and I have minted 8 tokens in total. So you can plug in any number between 1 and 8, and then you can see where secondary sale royalties are going to go to for that individual token.
Okay. So just starting off with 1, which was why I was mainly asking the question, it came up with an error and said no on-chain royalties configured.
Interesting. What network are you on when you're looking in the top right?
Mainnet. I should be on Polygon, or I should be on Mumbai.
Can you go to Mumbai?
Got it.
That would make sense. There is no contract there on ETH mainnet.
Right. Not yet.
Scared me for a sec, Matt.
Yeah. I scared myself. All right, cool.
Is it showing up now?
So yeah, and for token ID 1, it is saying EIP 2981.
Perfect.
And then this 561A wallet is the splits address.
It should be. Yeah. If you want, you can go into 0x splits and you can look up that address. You did the main verifying I wanted, was just to like verify that it is
happening.
In fact going to go somewhere.
Yep.
Cool.
Okay, I think we've reached the end, so you can now go back through and backfill anything you're missing.
Cool. But it's got to be one at a time, correct?
It does. We didn't talk about adding anything that would be
like buy all.
Did you have expectations that we would have something like that?
No. I expected that it would be one at a time, because that's what we want it to be for everybody else, is they have to buy one at a time. No, this is perfect. I just wanted to make sure I understood what I need to do. Okay, so I need to go in and get 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I can go. It's 1, and then in purchase track, correct? Is where I would do that. Okay. Got it.
Yep, I'm doing the same thing. Just bought 1, buying number 2 now.
Okay, cool. Oh yeah.
And actually, we just want to make sure that all the tokens look okay. So, what are you missing now, Jack?
2, 3, and 4.
I'll buy 3 and 4, and you don't worry about buying 3 and 4. You just buy that missing 1 and 2, and then we can check on OpenSea to make sure the metadata looks okay.
Cool.
Or I guess you probably, actually you did want to claim the puzzle, so go ahead and buy them all.
Yeah.
I'll let you do the whole thing.
Yeah, I'm on the way. I've just got a couple more to do.
I'm just gonna watch your screen. I'll let you drive.
Okay. And then when the time comes, I'll be ready to hop over to OpenSea and we can look at it together.
Oh yeah, yeah. Actually, I can
Hey,
get us
Marcus.
that link.
Welcome to the Twitter space, Marcus. If you'd like to see the Zoom links there. Okay, so now I'm going to get track number 3. I just have 2, 3, and 4 to get now.
Here is our testnet contract on OpenSea. That might be a better place for you to look through, Matt, if you want to check out that testnet contract and just, if you look at any of those individual tracks, just kind of look at them, see if there's anything that might look off, or if all the content looks okay.
All right, now I'm going to do track number 4, and then I should have them all. Although I can go through the missing pieces thing again. It's probably good for me to get acclimated with all of this functionality on Third Web.
Yeah, this is going to be your admin dashboard for the contract.
Right.
I think it's looking good. We got play buttons showing up on all of them.
Yay.
All the images are looking okay. I have not checked any of the visualizers, but I'll randomly check 1 or 2 of them and
yeah, that's the way.
Yeah. Question here. It's only saying that the collection is owned by or created by 70940C because it's in testnets, right? Like that'll say Jack.
Yeah, that should be Jack's address. And as long as Jack's configured a name in OpenSea, it'll show. Jack, is that your address?
Yes, that's my address. The 7.
Should it?
Are you saying should it be jackintheway.eth?
Well, that's what I'm asking now. Should it already say that?
It should if he set up his testnet account.
Got it.
I did.
Okay, cool. Oh, good. That's the only thing that seems kind of like off for now.
Good catch.
But yeah, I've got my account in OpenSea, so it'll show up. Yay! Nothing's missing now. I got them all.
Okay. Are you able to collect the puzzle?
So that would be in. You're talking about there's admin airdrop puzzle, but then there's also what's it called? Claim. Is that right?
Yeah, let me see what it's called.
Puzzle completed?
Puzzle completed. Do puzzle completed.
Okay. And then it'll just check my wallet. I see.
Exactly.
Beautiful. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, so we can make that a function on the website. We can like make a little button that says puzzle completed and someone can call it and then
sounds
collect their puzzle.
Cool. Now I'm starting to understand. We just map it so that the website triggers this functionality here.
Exactly.
I get it. Cool.
Oh yeah. Also, we could have, all right, let's see. Did you already complete the puzzle?
Yeah, I did puzzle complete.
Is it here? We got a lot of tokens in here.
Yeah.
This is going to be fun when we ship this. I'm not seeing it in OpenSea yet.
Yeah, me neither.
Oh, there we go. I'm not seeing a play button beside Wayspace album. It might just be that I'm not. Maybe I just need to wait for a couple seconds.
Yeah.
This is token number.
This
20.
is number 4. Oh, yeah, my bad.
Token ID 20. I mean, it's probably just too big for OpenSea, and that's.
Oh, right.
We'll
Right.
make it better on.
Yeah, that's also the thing.
We'll give it a better experience on our website.
Yeah,
Not a big.
Just for the sake of checking.
Yeah, the audio loads, the animation URL loads fine for me. I'm looking at the metadata.
Cool. That's what I was just about to do myself.
I'm checking out the visualizer as well.
Okay, cool. Oh my God, look, those are the lyrics for the entire album. All right, animation URL. Yep.
Oh, dang. I was hoping the B-side would load because it was a little bit smaller,
Yeah, it's a 10-minute audio.
but it seems still too long for OpenSea.
Okay. Well, then it makes it even more of a buried treasure.
Yeah. Yeah.
Cool.
It's looking good to me.
Yep.
Do you guys have any other tests that you want to run through before we ship on ETH mainnet? Sorry.
I think I'm all set. I did want to say that I'm glad that we didn't take the time to try switch out the animation URL for the visualizer again just to see, because it's clear that OpenSea wouldn't have been able to handle it anyway. So it seems like we did have the error, of course, that we fixed, but our decision yesterday was perfect. Like what we decided is still functional and works. Um, yeah, sure, Marcus. If you wanna mute the Twitter space and listen to the Zoom, that totally works. Or you could mute the Zoom. For us, we're hearing each other through the Twitter space because it's just better for us than the Zoom audio. But yeah, but so glad you're here. All right, so I'm ready to go. Matt, how are you?
Ready.
Cool. Sweets.
Thumbs up.
Let's fucking
Thumbs
do
up. Let's do it. We're gonna ship.
it.
Okay. All right. So now it's just about connecting to mainnet and going to the new deployment admin hub center. Sweet.
Yep, exact same page. Switch over to Ethereum, paste in the same metadata URI, and now I'm giving you the Ethereum Zora drops metadata render. And so that's what you'll use for ETH mainnets, Zora drops metadata render.
Okay, here we go. So I'm on the right page now, it looks like, because I can see it says deploy now. All right.
Yes.
So,
Oh, sorry.
am I okay?
Yeah, you're looking good.
Okay, cool.
Let me see what version you're on. What version does it say you're deploying?
1.0.28.
The latest? Cool.
Latest.
Cool, as long as it's the latest. Let's do it.
Okay, let me copy these IPFS, which I know 100% worked. Oh boy. Okay.
Moment of truth.
Moment of truth. And it is 11:54. Oh my goodness. All right. Okay, guys. So here we are. Just want to say thank you so much. This has been an absolute joy. I've learned so much. I know I'm only going to learn more, and I'm just super grateful. Thumbs up.
Ship it.
Let's do it. Oh, non-white space error after JSON. Oh, look at that. Oh, thank you, Third Web. Okay, we're good. Okay. Final thumbs up.
All right.
All right, we got it. Oh man. All right. Cool.
Marcus, it's good to have you here.
Okay, so for the record, it costs $52 USD in gas.
Got it. A little on the high side, but I think it's well,
Yeah.
I think if we check Etherscan right now, gas is really low. So I guess I didn't write the contract as efficiently as possible. But
Oh, I think it was plenty.
so total expenses, I think all your splits cost less than 20 bucks.
Yeah.
IPFS storage has been free, and then deploying the contract was, we'll call it 60. So under 100 bucks to deploy all your stuff forever. There's no maintenance costs ever.
Forever. No subscription to DistroKid for this.
Yeah, no subscriptions, 100 bucks forever.
Okay.
Hell yeah.
It's going. It's going. I'm excited to purchase. We got to purchase.
Yeah, me too. As soon as you get that address, I'm going to swap it out on Vercel so that your Wayspace app will get updated and I'll trigger a new build.
Okay.
And then I'm going to go try to buy it and then we'll bounce. We are really pressing up against the time
Yeah,
limit.
we are, aren't we?
Okay, let's update the chain ID in our prod. Instead of being on Mumbai 80,001, we're going to update it to be chain ID 1 for Ethereum mainnet. Our chain ID is now updated to 1. Now I just need the contract address. And once I get that, we're going to be good to go. Transaction still pending?
Yeah.
Did it already complete that first one? It looks like you're doing the
It did.
multi-call.
Yeah. It
Oh,
did.
sweet. Okay.
Yeah,
Cool,
yeah, yeah.
cool. So we're just on the indexing step.
Cool. Yeah.
Um,
I was wondering if I needed to buy more ETH before today, but I did not at all. We were totally
did
good.
not. Totally fine.
Now I can use the rest to collect all the pieces.
Yeah. I remember at Mint Songs when we were shipping V2 upgrades, sometimes when the gas was high, it cost us like actually an ETH. And I was just like, how is this a sustainable cost for a company to like once a
Oh
month be spending an ETH
God.
to re-up? That's thousands of bucks that we're just like spending on deploying new
Oh my
upgrades.
God.
It was way easier when we were just shipping on Polygon, but this is a whole other conversation. Okay, so the multi-call is taking a while. How much was the multi-call? Was that under $5?
Yeah, it was $1.15 USD.
Cool. If you want to speed it up, you can. It's not essential for us to keep moving forward. That's just registering it in third web.
Okay.
If you want to speed it up, you can. Otherwise, we can just skip it and we can get the contract address a different way. You're awesome.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
all good. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. If it's under $5, it's like so worth it. I'm glad to get it in there. But I can move that, like we can move on while it's going, you know. Oh,
Now
it's done.
okay, now we're good. So it's not going to show it here on the website, but we do want to see it on the website. Can you go to that second transaction you did on Etherscan? If you're confused as to why this page is timing out, it's because when you sped it up, you created a new transaction that the page isn't looking for. So just ignore what the page is doing. You're going to open up MetaMask, and I'm gonna manually override some of this stuff for you.
Okay, cool.
Go to that second transaction, contract deployment. Not the multi-call, the contract deployment. There we go.
View on Block
Go there.
Explorer, is that correct? Yeah.
Exactly.
Okay.
There's an internal transaction. Well, you can see it right there. The contract that was created,
Yeah.
you'll copy that contract address on the down below.
Oh, yep. Got it.
And now we'll go back to third web. Maybe the page that's stuck there. Yeah, and then change your URL. It'll be thirdweb.com/Ethereum / your contract address.
One second.
Yeah, try that. Because your multi-call went through, it should load it. Cool. And can the first thing you do be go to sources and verify it on Etherscan for us?
Yep.
And then while you're waiting it to verify, can you send us that contract link so that I have it?
Yep. And then I know you got to get out of here.
Yeah, we're gonna try to. I'll probably be a couple minutes late to my next meeting. Decent, if you're listening to this, I'm sorry, but I'll probably be a couple minutes late.
All right. Thanks, Marcus.
How do we redeploy? Deployments. This production one,
Pass
we're gonna
verified.
redeploy. We are redeploying onto the production website. So we should now be good to purchase. We should be able to head over to Vol FM and do a purchase there if you want. I'm probably going to wait till the website loads so that I can do the bundle purchase.
Yeah, me too.
But I do want to make sure that it works on Vol FM. Here is our Vol FM link. Hopefully it works. Uh-oh.
What's up with Vol?
It works fine on Vol FM.
Yay. Cool. Awesome. So the Wayspace.app website, it's just a matter of waiting for it to be able to be on mainnet. Cool. Okay.
It's pending right now. We're at 56 seconds into the deployment. It should be good, and the deployment usually takes a minute and a half. So
cool.
It should any second.
Yeah.
It's creating the optimized build. How you feeling right now, Jack?
I feel good. This is fun. It feels like the moment where you're down the roller coaster and you just have your arms up like this. It's pretty amazing.
The contract's been shipped. It's immutably on Ethereum mainnet. Now we're just plugging it into stuff.
We're shipped.
We're
shipped. Yeah. So I mean, this will load, but I don't feel a need to for you to have to keep you here unless you really want to. And I know we're going to be talking later this afternoon to sort of have a
We
Twitter
will
space
be.
to digest it, to celebrate,
Mhm.
to
Yeah.
appreciate it. So,
All right. You should be good to refresh wayspace.app.
okay, it's refreshing right now.
Let's see if I did it
Wayspace.
correctly. I'm on the wrong network. Switches me over to mainnet.
Yeah,
Am I
here
gonna be
we
the
go. All right, let's mint
Am I gonna be
it.
the first
Oh,
buying the
oh, who's
bundle?
gonna be first? Who's gonna? Oh wow, wow, interesting. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Right. Okay, yeah, we're good.
Did you see something that was off?
No, I was just I remembered how much they cost, and I was like, oh
Mm.
right, because I'm doing a bundle. I forgot. I was like, wait, is the gas that high? No, the gas is only $5, $4.
All right. I just bought token 3 and 4. So someone else bought token 1 and 2 before I could get it. But it looks like the money flowed through fine to the
Was
split.
it me?
I'm gonna bounce, guys. I'll see you tonight at the
All
Twitter
right,
space.
all right. See you,
Hi, bro.
sweets. Thanks for
You
everything.
good?
See you soon. Peace.
Thanks, Sweets.
All right. Bye, sweets. Cool. Minted.
Let's go.
Let's go. Matt, do you want to take some time to mint
I'm
while we're
trying,
here?
but I'm having the same problems. And now it's happening on my phone, dude.
You on your Wi-Fi still?
Yeah.
Hop off. Just try hopping off of your Wi-Fi.
Yeah. Okay. I just don't understand why that happens. Sick. Doing it.
I think I might have gotten the first two.
Nice. It's
Sweets is
only
saying somebody
right.
else got the first two. I think I did. Yeah. Wow. Oh my God. Damn. Oh, I'm glad this is being recorded. Oh, it looks like Sweets is still on here. Should I get Sweets off of the Twitter space? I don't. He
I
probably
don't
doesn't
know.
realize he's still on.
Well, you should probably just end the Twitter space, I guess.
Okay, yeah. Bye, Twitter space people. See ya. All right, y'all. Well, I'm going to stop recording the Zoom now so that Matt and I can talk and digest. But welcome to Wayspace. See you later.